Hi everyone, and welcome back to Flow Migration Law. I'm Jay, your principal migration lawyer. Today we're diving deep into what's arguably the most critical part of any successful partner visa application, the evidence. You might have a genuine relationship, but if you can't prove it to the Department of Home Affairs in the way they expect, you could be facing serious problems. So let's get to it and explore how to build a rock-solid case with your evidence. So why the big focus on evidence? Well, the department needs to be convinced that your relationship's genuine and continuing, and that you live together or don't live permanently apart to the exclusion of all others. They aren't there in your daily lives, so the documents, photos and statements you provide are their window in your relationship. This isn't about ticking boxes, it's about painting a clear and convincing picture. The department assesses your relationship across 4 key pillars or categories. Think of these as the 4 legs of a table. If one is weak, the whole thing can wobble. We need to provide evidence across all 4. So what are they? They are the financial aspects of your relationship, the nature of your household, the social aspects, and the nature of your commitment to each other. First up, financial aspects. So this is about how you manage your money as a couple. So what does this look like in practice? The department likes to see a range of documents. For example, joint bank account statements showing shared income and expenses, evidence of shared bills like rent, utilities or groceries, proof of major joint purchases like a car or property, evidence of one partner supporting the other financially if applicable. Simply put, they want to see that you operate as a financial unit. Second, the nature of your household. So this covers your living arrangements. For this pillar, here are some key examples of what you can provide. A joint lease agreement, a mortgage document showing you both reside at the same address, utility bills addressed to both of you at the same address, mail addressed to both of you individually at the same address, statements detailing how you share household duties and responsibilities. Third, the social aspects of your relationship. So this is about how others see you as a couple. To prove this, you can use evidence such as statutory declarations from friends and family who can vouch for your relationship. So such as the Form 888, photos together at social events with friends and family on holidays from different stages of your relationship, joint invitations to weddings or parties, evidence of joint travel like flight tickets or hotel bookings. Social media evidence can be useful here too, showing you present as a couple publicly. And finally, the 4th pillar, the nature of your commitment. So this is about your long-term intention. This is where you show the depth and seriousness of your bond. Some examples include your relationship statements detailing the history of your relationship, your feelings for each other, and your future plans together. Evidence of communication if you've ever lived apart for periods, wills or superannuation documents naming each other as beneficiaries, knowledge of each other's personal circumstances like family situations or background. And remember, these are just examples. The key is to provide evidence that is relevant to your specific story. Now, beyond the 4 pillars, remember a few key things as well. Quality and detail. It's not just about the quantity of documents, but the quality and the story they tell collectively. Detailed statements and clear evidence are crucial. Consistency. Ensure the information across all your documents and statements is consistent. Tell your story. Your relationship history and personal statements are vital for providing context to all other evidence. So that's a detailed look at the 4 pillars of evidence. As you can see, building a strong case is about more than just a few documents. It's about telling a consistent and convincing story. Now, listening to all of this, you might feel more confident to tackle it yourself, and that's great. But if you felt a little overwhelmed or started wondering if your own evidence is strong enough, that's a very normal feeling, and it's a sign that getting a professional opinion could be a wise next step. If you're unsure what evidence you need, how to present it, or if you just want a professional eye to review your situation, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Flow Migration Law. We can help you put your best foot forward. You can find our contact details on our website, which is linked in the description below. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Australian immigration tips, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.